Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the Huawei P Smart Z, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the best gaming performance out of this device just by making a few simple adjustments within the settings. Okay, so first thing you will need to do is just go into the settings and scroll down to battery, and then you will see performance mode. Just turn that on, select enable, and then go back and go to apps and select app assistant, grant permission, and then add a game. So you can add all your games. So I've got Call of Duty installed, so I'll select that. Fortnite as well, and PUBG. Then go back, and then game acceleration. So game acceleration system settings will be optimized for gaming. Performance will be boosted, but your device will consume power more quickly and may heat up. Go ahead and hit OK. And everything is now set, good to go. And if you don't want any interruptions whilst you're playing your games, you can also select this option here, uninterrupted gaming. So yeah guys, this is how you're gonna get the best performance out of your games. And for this to work as well, make sure you launch your game through the application there. So now when you're playing Fortnite on your Huawei PZ Smart, or Call of Duty, or any of your favorite Android games, you will now get the best performance possible. Should get more frames, should also get smoother gameplay, all that good stuff. So anyway, that's it for the video guys. Thanks for watching. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. See you in the next video. Deuces.